a lot of applications. I'm actually going to buy a pencil, like a sketching pencil, and start sketching on paper. So, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey, if you all would like to join me, hey, if you all want to come see your boy, send me a message. Sunday, I'm chilling at the Apple Store all day today. But today they have all these classes on how to draw, how to paint, how to sketch, how to use light, how to use dark, how to use shadow, understanding reflection, understanding depth, understanding baseline colors, understanding foundation, understanding how shades of ground the image, how light makes it emerge, how to create depth, how to create richness, how to find corresponding colors. Let's say a particular object you painted is green. What are the corresponding colors? Maybe blue, maybe red, maybe yellow. And this is contingent and conducive on the before and after effect, like the past, present, and future of a particular, let's say, a biodegradable object. Let's say like an apple or